Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 2. I hope everybody's having a good Sunday. We seem to have gotten our various problems straightened out, so hopefully this week goes smoother. Because this week is when we start, I guess, the real work of the class, and we really start to dive into Google. So I'm just going to take you on a quick tour of what it is that is expected this week. So first things first, when you come into Blackboard and you click on this class, you'll see any announcements here. So here's just a very brief week 2 announcement. Once this video is done, I will link to it in here also, or at least attempt to, in the announcement area anyway. And then what you want to do is you want to head on over to discussions, and you will see here is week 2. So you can click on week 2, and this is going to take you to your various tasks for the week. Now, what you'll notice is, each of them have a name, and it gives you an idea of what to expect. So, for example, where it says discussion, what that means is that this is a thread that you are going to be expected to participate in a discussion within. And that, part of your grade will come from your participation in the discussion. So we have 1, 2, 3 classroom discussion threads this week. My recommendation and my request is that you begin posting in there early in the week, so that we don't have dead threads all week and then exploding with action on the weekends. Try and post at least on Monday, and then, we'll let the discussion flow throughout the week. So you have 3 discussion threads this week, and then you'll see weekly graded assignment. But the first one I want to jump into up here at the top is signups and additional questions. So if you click there, you'll see there are a few things that you're going to sign up for. The first one being here, our first Google Hangout session. And once you click that, we have 3 time slots being offered. So pick whichever one works best for you. And is assuming you are signed into your personal Google account already. Once you open this, you can come in here and you can just type your name, and then you will be signed into that slot. We can accommodate up to 10 users, including myself, so up to 9 people on each list. Okay, the next thing on here, if you have not already signed up for a group presentation, you are going to click here. You're going to sign up into one of those slots. At the top, you have all the directions on the group presentations. If you're going, as it says here, if you're going in the first week that we're presenting, which is week 3, and you need anything, let me know, because your presentation will actually be due next weekend, the beginning of week 2, so that you can so that it will be up and ready for people to look at on Sunday night. And certainly anyone with any questions on the presentation, let me know. If you need ideas on the presentation, let me know, and I can sort of give you some ideas and some directions to head in with that. It should not be anything that overwhelms you too much. It's just sort of a good, simple way for us to get started. Okay, the third thing down here is simply that I created this thread as a help to you, so that if you have any general questions or concerns, or there might be resources or videos like this that could help you with some aspect of the class, then please click reply and add those things into this thread. And so that as things are requested, or I think there are things that could help you, I'll add them into this thread. All right, number 4. So there's just a handful of people who didn't give me their personal Gmail accounts and didn't fill out that form on the first day of school, or the first day of our class, I should say, with your contact information. So if you did not do that already, please come here, click here, and just enter that stuff here. It should take you 30 seconds to do. And again, it's really important that I have your personal Gmail, because if we're sharing things within Google, or when we're setting up Google Hangouts, then that's that's something I need to be able to get you into the Hangout. If my understanding is Baldwin doesn't have school Gmail accounts, which is fine. You can just put in an alternate email here, so that I have two ways to get in touch with you. And then finally, I'm going to ask that everyone clicks here, and you sign up here. All you're going to have to do is put your first and last name in here and your cell phone number here, and that's going to allow me to send you text alerts. So for example, when I get something important posted that I think will help you, you can jump in and or you'll get updated on it right away. So that's the first thread this week. That's sort of important, all that. Okay, the next thing you're going to see, this is a discussion thread. So we have a couple links for you to check out. And then at the bottom, there's a question for you. And so that question will guide your discussion comments in this thread. Jumping back, the next one, also a discussion thread. All right, this is a little bit more in depth. This is about setting up Google Plus and Google Hangouts, and this is actually an assignment here. So you'll see all the directions are right here. If you have any questions on any of this, a good place to add those questions would you could reply and add them right in the thread down here. Okay, now we are going to pop back out here. Okay, I'm going to come down to the last discussion thread, then go up to the graded assignment. All right. These are Google communities that can help you. And so you can sort of join some of these communities within Google Plus, and then just share with us a little bit about that in the discussion thread here. And then the last thread for this week is your weekly graded assignment. And so this will take you through all of that. And this thread will get you signed in, and you're going to, once you sign in, you're going to take a look at the Google Training Center. All the directions are here, and then you're going to click on this thread and make a copy. Click on the make a copy, and this is where all of your answers are going to go to the different questions. Once that's done, you will see back in Blackboard, you will see it says when you are finished, click the share button, and then you're going to share the document with me. So again, you need to be signed into your Google account to do this. Okay, and I will kind of show you how to do this. So once you're signed in, you click here, you're going to make the copy, and so this is a copy just for you. You put your name in, okay, you put your answers in the boxes, okay, and then when you're all done, you come up to the top right where it says share, you paste me in there, and then you're going to click send, and that's, once I get it, that's basically how you're handing it in. Okay, I hope this video was somewhat helpful, and that it wasn't overwhelming or anything like that to you. As you know, you can ask questions to me at any point. Here's my email. You have my phone number. You can call me. You can text me, or you can add them right into the discussion thread. Once again, if people are asking questions in the discussion thread and you are confident you know the answer, by all means, jump in and share your expertise and help your classmates out as well. As you move through the cohort, the more you can sort of build relationships with each other and help each other with the different steps, the more you're going to be able to get out of this experience and out of the classes in the cohort. So good luck, and we will be in touch this week.